Officials worry these numbers will just keep going up as millions travel for spring break despite being urged not to.
Yeah, we've been seeing those pictures nationwide. WGN's Kelly Davis is live at O'Hare right now with that story. Kelly.
Hey, Ben and Lourdes, we just spoke with a couple of airport employees who were leaving for the day, and they said it is a zoo in there. It is the start of spring break, and clearly many people are not adhering to CDC guidelines.
I would just encourage people and remind people now is not the time to travel.
Days after the CDC advised against spring break travel, O'Hare Airport is jam-packed. This is a picture of Terminal 3 taken this morning. Long lines at American Airlines check-in counters.
We're just jumping the gun a little bit.
Earlier this week, Chicago's top doctor urged residents to think twice about traveling unless they're fully vaccinated.
It's too early for us to think COVID is over. And I know people are anxious to get out, but we don't have a lot of the city fully vaccinated yet, and the risks really remain high and growing from a COVID perspective.
But spring break is in full swing. Crowds are flocking to Florida beaches as people try to find a sense of normalcy in the middle of a pandemic.
The concern is when people travel, they'll go somewhere else, pick up the COVID, come back and asymptomatic and spread to those people who are most vulnerable. So that's what we're most scared about.
Sean Dyer is an attending physician at Stroger Hospital. He says the successful vaccination rates is a step in the right direction, but we're not there just yet.
There's not going to be one perfect day where like, okay, everyone can start traveling after this day. It's got to be a national trend where numbers are going down. A lot of people are vaccinated. We get towards that herd immunity and we get some more guidance from the governmental associations.
The CDC warns spring break travel could lead to a rise in infections. But if you have to go, you're reminded to mask up, stay with your group, and keep your distance from others.
We just don't want to be at this rapid uptick of cases again, and that is very possible that that could happen.
Many school districts across Illinois and including CPS are requiring students to submit a negative COVID test when they get back from spring break before they head into the classroom, as well as any unvaccinated staff members. But if they do not have that to prove, they're asking people to stay home and continue with remote learning for at least 10 days. Live at O'Hare Airport, I'm Kelly Davis, WGN News.